Let's continue our learning with Lesson 10. In this video, we're going to work with some operations like multiple lines, angles, XY axis, and dimensions. We're also going to learn about the command mirror, line, edit dimensions, and we're also using the command center line. So let's go. We'll start by creating a new drawing. As usual, I'm going to use a geometry that is already drawn as an example. We're going to habilitate the multiple lines tool, and we'll draw the geometry's outline, from origin following to below. We'll create this angled line with any value, as we're going to use XY axis command, okay? For that one, we add measurements on X and Y, instead of adding it to the angle when it's unknown. So don't worry very much about it right now. All right, we'll continue our geometry, following these measures right here on the side. Add 16 to XX, 8 to XY, and 33.5 on XX again. Easy peasy, right? Here we have the angle measurement and the thread length, so we're not using the command XY axis here. Instead of that, we're calculating something on our angle. First, we're opening our parentheses, considering a 180 degrees angle as a reference. We'll add 72 degrees, which is shown here on our example. We're going to close our parentheses, so we'll have a 252 degrees angle, correct? All right, now we're adding a measure of 21.05. Then we'll type a ratio of 10.4 on XX. As you can see, there's another line that has an angle and length. Because of that, we're typing an angle of 75 degrees here, and we'll set the length as 30. Following that, we'll add a measure of 5 to XX and 5.98 on XY. We're going to do the same thing here, right? So let's add an angle of 37 degrees on this one. But for doing so, we'll need to create a new formula. With 360 degrees as a reference, we'll deduct 37 degrees, which will result in a 323 degrees angle. Now, we're adding the length of 25 and following through the remaining quotes. On XX, we'll add a measure of 30 and 5 on Y. On this line, we're adding any measurement because we'll apply the command XY axis as well. We'll click on Finish and add our measures. Oh, by the way, a quick reminder that you can leave any doubts or difficulties you might be having in the comment section below. There's no problem if you need to pause this video and review any previous ones to understand the tools better. For this line right here, we're selecting the XY axis, and we'll add the asked quotes. It'll be 16 for XX and 20 on Y. Confirm them like this. And here, we'll select the XY axis option again, with the measures of 30 on XX and 25 on XY. Now, we're going to select all of our geometry, like that. And we're choosing the mirror tool to, well, mirror our geometry. We'll put the mouse over XX to have our center line as a reference. You can also type 0 degrees as an angle, as it is one of our quadrants of our polar coordinations, okay? As the last steps, we're confirming our operation, and we'll select the line tool to close up our geometry. Just erase any unnecessary quotes and change the position of the remaining ones. Then we're altering the general scale to 2.5. We're adding our center line, and we're done. Well, guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.